In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Docs add-ons, a powerful way to enhance your document editing capabilities by integrating additional features and tools. First, let's open a new tab in your web browser and search for Google Docs. A quick tip here. You can easily find Google Docs by visiting your Google Drive and selecting Docs from there. Once you have Google Docs open, you're going to want to log in with your Google account if you haven't already. This will grant you access to all your documents and, most importantly, the add-ons we'll be exploring today. After logging in, open an existing document. If you don't have one handy, you can create a new blank document for this demonstration. The next step is to look towards the top of your screen at the menu options. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Extensions. Click on it. Now, as you hover over Add-ons, another menu pops up where you'll see Get Add-ons. Clicking on this option will take you to a new window, which is the Google Workspace Marketplace. This marketplace is your gateway to a wide variety of add-ons designed to enhance your productivity and customize your Google Docs experience. Feel free to browse through the options available. You'll find a whole host of tools for everything from citation management to advanced formatting and more. If you're looking for something specific, use the search bar to quickly locate the add-on you need. Once you've found an add-on that catches your interest, click on it to find out more. It's always a good idea to read the description to make sure it's the right tool for your needs. When you're ready to proceed, click on Install. The system will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to install the add-on for. Select the appropriate account if you have more than one. Next, click Continue. A permissions message will pop up. This step is crucial. Carefully read through the permissions the add-on is requesting to understand what parts of your Google account it will access. If everything looks good and you feel comfortable proceeding, click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. This will complete the installation process for your chosen add-on. Finally, click on Done to finish up. You should now see the add-on appear in your extensions menu, ready for you to use. Remember, you can always manage your add-ons from this menu, including removing any you no longer need. By following these steps, you're opening up a whole new world of possibilities within Google Docs, tailoring it to your specific workflow requirements. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you enjoy exploring all the new tools at your disposal.